Hey, what's up, everybody? I decided to get out of the house for a little bit and record some footage of me looking for some firewood. We just had a pretty good windstorm again last night, and this morning it pretty much died off. At least it wants to die off. It'll go down a lot, and then big gust will come through. But so I'm thinking there might be some downed trees out here at Point McKenzie area that I could harvest. Give me an excuse to get out of the house for a little bit. Just here with my dog. Come on, Blue. Look at that boy. So come with me. Let's go find a tree. Boy, it is a really nice day. Frigidly cold, but it is a really nice day. I'm unarmed, didn't bring any guns or anything. Hoping all the dangerous bears have hibernated by now. See, my thing is I don't want to walk down there. I don't want to walk into these gigantic snow piles. I mean, that snow is really deep. Oh, Blue. That snow is really deep. It's going to be hard to get through and get any trees. I'm hoping something on the long side of the road fell over that could be some easy pickings. But if not, at least I got to get out of the house for a little bit. Let's take this trail. Looked like somebody already came through and downed a nice standing dead spruce. Sometimes they'll leave some good wood behind that I can salvage, scrap up. I'm not too picky. Oh, snow's nice and hard to pack right here. Well, that did fall from the wind. A lot of small stuff. A lot of standing dead spruce through here. This is a cool little area. Oh yeah, you can see the tree they took. A 15-inch around. That's cool. Well, yeah. Now you gotta be careful because some of these trees might fall on you after a nice windstorm, but keep your head on a swivel. What's the matter, Blue? Snow bit you? Steps on things a lot. Yeah, somebody came through here and harvested some good trees. All these are good for the taking, these little 4-inch rounders, but I don't know. Well, I found a winner. I'm gonna walk back to my truck and my chainsaw. Man, it's beautiful here. Saw some moose tracks, but they're pretty old. being unarmed in the woods. It's not a good idea in the state of Alaska. But I'm not too far off the road. Got a chainsaw, nice and sharp. Middle of January, so all the bears should be hibernated by now. You never know, there's always a rogue bear. Doesn't like to play by the rules. Can gobble you up. So this old Husqvarna, I bought it years ago, probably 10 years ago at a pawn shop for like 80 bucks. It's been my go-to chainsaw. 18-inch bar. I got a 24-inch bar at home. 24-inch bar, whatever it is. That thing went to shit immediately. Bought that thing brand new. And they've both been in and out of the shop numerous times. But this thing's still always been my go-to. But recently, it'll either overheat or get too cold quickly. And this thing will be really loose. But she just dies on me. She doesn't like to idle. So I constantly gotta keep her running. Probably a carburetor thing, I don't know. Maybe it just needs to go back to the shop. I mean, I just put a brand new bar on there. Brand new bar, brand new chain. It's a good thing I don't have to do this for a living. This is just a recreational thing for me. But I'm staying aware of widowmakers. Potential's still really high out here. Got my hard hat on. Let's see a nice tree over there I want to get. It is cold. Let's go check her out. Woo! Oh, it's cold. Brutally cold. Oh. I am frozen. But I'm gonna haul this wood up to the road and pull my truck up and load her up. spot. Go lay down. New spot. Good boy. Well, if you like what you saw here today, like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you.